Fixing a water-damaged laptop can be challenging, but it's possible to salvage it if you act quickly and take the right steps. Here's a general guide on what to do if your laptop gets water damaged. Power off. Immediately turn off the laptop and unplug it from any power source. This helps prevent further damage and reduces the risk of electrical shock. Remove external components. Disconnect any peripherals, such as a mouse, keyboard, or external hard drive, and remove any CDs or USB drives from the laptop. Dry the exterior. Use a soft, absorbent cloth to gently wipe away any visible water on the exterior of the laptop. Be careful not to press too hard or spread the water further into the device. Remove battery. If possible, if your laptop has a removable battery, take it out to prevent potential short circuits. If the battery is not removable, skip this step. Open the laptop. If you're comfortable doing so, carefully open the laptop to expose the internal components. If you're not confident in your ability to do this, consider seeking professional help. Dry internally. Use a can of compressed air to gently blow air into the openings and vents of the laptop to help remove moisture. You can also use a hairdryer on a low, cool setting, but be careful not to overheat the components. Rice or silica gel packets. Place the laptop in a large bag or container filled with uncooked rice or silica gel packets. These materials help absorb moisture and can aid in drying out the laptop. Leave the laptop in the rice or silica gel for at least 24 to 48 hours. Avoid turning it on. Resist the temptation to turn on the laptop to see if it still works until you're sure it's completely dry. Turning on the laptop while it's still wet can cause further damage. Test the laptop. After 24 to 48 hours, remove the laptop from the rice or silica gel and reassemble it. Plug it into a power source and attempt to turn it on. If it powers on and functions normally, you may have successfully salvaged it. If it doesn't turn on or experiences issues, you may need to seek professional repair services. Professional help. If you're unable to fix the water damage yourself or if the laptop continues to have issues after drying, consider taking it to a professional repair technician for assessment and repair. Remember, the key to salvaging a water-damaged laptop is to act quickly, avoid powering it on until it's completely dry, and seek professional help if needed.